kimchi stew. I prepared already all the ingredients here. Chopped pork belly, about half a kilo. White onion first. White onion first. And put the green onion later. Then add a teaspoon or maybe a teaspoon of Ginny's sampalok paste. Just a tiny bit of this gochujang chili paste. It might be very powerful. And of course, this is the main one. Kimchi. Kimchi. This is a Korean brand, Bibigo. Sliced napa cabbage, kimchi. The secret to this kimchi stew is your kimchi must be really, really ripe. That's it. And then you put some water. And make it simmer